All right, Keith, here's the correction. It's not the bigger you are, more gravity you have, it's the more mass.
I just felt like...
and you're right, you are correct.
I can see my physics professor would not
Cringing.
like that, because I remember one of the things they do early in physics is they get these big ball bearings. One's really big and one's more dense and smaller, and they drop them. And so there's a whole thing here. And any physics teacher at home would be like, wait.
Would you like to guess my mass?
No,
Live on television?
Not today.
Okay.
Not today. I'm pretty good at it.
He does brag about being really good at it.
Pretty good at it. Don't make me do it. I'm not going to do it.
Just keep on digging, my friend. Keep on digging.
This is actually one of my favorite.
Oh my gosh! Just
do
do
the
the
weather.
weather.
You know what story I'm going to tell?
Nope. Don't care.
Okay. I heard we don't. I'll tell you guys after. Anyways, 36 today in Portland, 37 in Lewiston, 40 in Freiburg. You can just send me back on vacation if you want. 39 in Sanford. Decent day. Got some melting going, as we talked about. We've had kind of very little of that. We're starting to get to the time of year. The sun angle, though, starts to matter more, so you can get melting even when it's below freezing. Got a couple snow showers out there right now. Model's not doing a great job picking up on this, but if you track this east, it looks like we'll get some snow showers in the mountains and a couple of rain showers elsewhere later tonight. Again, not really showing that on this small scale model, but I anticipate could see shower or snow flurry here this evening. But it's not cold, particularly cold at least. Temperatures drop down to about freezing. That's about it. Mountains might get into the 20s, but not frigid stuff. Tomorrow we start with some sun. Clouds coming from southwest and northeast, though, through the mid-morning. And we're cloudy through the afternoon with some periods of light rain starting to work its way in. It's too warm along the coast for anything but rain, and likely that extends inland as well. So it'll be just the mountains tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night that could see a period of snow showers or light snow. All of this, though, light, quick moving. It's out of here by tomorrow night. Wednesday, I think, is actually a really nice day. Temperatures between 40 and 45 and a good deal of sunshine. That's likely the best day of the work week. And then another weak little system comes in on Thursday. This one's a little more interesting because it comes in early Thursday morning, so we may start as snow pretty much everywhere on Thursday morning and get a decent little thump of accumulating snow before we transition in the afternoon over to warmer air and some rain showers and some melting. So all of this put together, this is tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night in the mountains, an inch or two. And then Thursday morning, there'll be another hit of snow here where there could be potentially 2 to 4 inches of snow, maybe an inch along the coastline for the Thursday morning commute. So nothing big here, but enough to keep us kind of on our toes. A bigger storm lurks perhaps for Saturday night. The model's not really blowing this thing up at this point, but they did the last few model runs, so we'll keep an eye on it. As it stands, it would be a period of snow mixing perhaps with rain along the coastline Saturday night into Sunday morning. You will notice the temperature trend, though, mild through the middle of the week. Cools back down late in the weekend into next week, but there could be another shot of 40s or maybe 50s by mid next week. So we've got a few more shots of warmer air as opposed to the pattern that we had been in for a couple of months where we really just didn't get much of that. You think about, I mean, I'd have to do the data on this, but the last time, for example, Portland got to 50. I mean, we didn't have many of those teases this year. So I think we'll get a few more of those coming in over the next week or two.
Okay.
Sounds good.